You already know that success on Etsy starts with getting seen, and getting seen starts with having the right keywords. But how do you actually know which keywords are working, which ones are trending, and which ones lead to actual sales? We may finally have answers, because over at eRank, we just dropped a major update. And for the first time ever, we now have real data to help identify keywords that have purchase intent, which is huge. So today I'm walking you through all of the new updates added to eRank's keyword tool and how you can use this new data to pick winning keywords just in time for the holiday sales rush. In case you're new here, my name is Starla, founder of the Handmade Alpha Academy for Etsy sellers and manager at eRank.com, Etsy's most popular SEO tool. And over at eRank, we're constantly looking for new ways to help sellers get one step closer to understanding buyer behavior. That way, you can cater your tags and titles towards the shoppers who are most willing to buy. Before we get into these new features, it's important to note that these updates are currently only available in the keyword tool beta. If your screen doesn't match mine, just click this link in the orange banner at the top of the regular keyword tool page, and boom, you'll be inside the new beta version with all the latest goodies. We're actively improving this tool every week, so if you've got feedback, please consider clicking the little green eRank logo in the bottom right corner of your screen and shoot a message to our incredible customer support gals. All right, let's talk about why you're really here. First up is our brand new Trending in Search badge. This one shows up when a keyword has seen a spike in popularity over the last 7 days, meaning shoppers are actively searching for this term more than usual. This is awesome for catching seasonal trends right as they're heating up. For example, when we search Halloween in the keyword tool, we can already see this badge right at the top, telling us that now is the perfect time to get those Halloween listings up and running. Don't wait until September. Etsy's holiday traffic historically kicks off at least 4 months before the intended season, with buyers shopping for fall and spooky products as early as June. And hey, if you want to see a full breakdown of Halloween trends and product ideas, check out last week's video up here and in the description down below. The second badge is the one that I'm most excited about, and that's the brand new high conversion badge. I cannot stress how important seeing this badge is when performing keyword research, because this tells us that shoppers who searched for this keyword didn't just browse, they bought. And for the first time ever, we're able to see a clear signal of purchase intent behind a search query. Just having a high search volume for a keyword doesn't necessarily mean that people are actually buying based on their search. A keyword could get 10,000 monthly searches and still lead to 0 sales if buyers were just window shopping. But with the high conversion badge, we finally have visibility into which keywords are sending real paying customers to listings, not just those who are browsing for fun. Back to our example, when we search Halloween in the keyword tool, we see both the Trending in Search badge and the high conversion badge. This tells us that not only are shoppers searching for Halloween products right now, they're also buying them in July, right now. If that's not your cue to list your spooky seasonal items ASAP, I don't know what is. If you're not currently using eRank, or if you're still on the free plan, I'll actually have a link up here and in the description down below where you can test out any of our paid plans free for a month. And honestly, guys, even if you can't afford to pay for eRank, that free month can help you to get a lot of work done before the holiday season. Whether you're prepping for the spooky season, holiday sales, or just want to get a better grip on what's actually working in your niche, these new badges are a serious game changer for understanding buyer behavior and how well the keywords that you're using may convert. Let me know down in the comments what you think of them and if you have any suggestions that I can pass over to our team. Until next time, Pookie.